We're going to be unboxing the HomeSoap UV Sanitizer and Charger, and this is by HomeSoap. A very large box. Let's get started. A little bit of how to get this started. Here on the side, we have the AC adapter with the retractable plug. We have this phonesoap 2-in-1 screen cleaner. It says here that the feet of the HomeSoap have these microscopic air pockets that will kind of vacuum itself to whatever the surface is. But right now it's covered with this plastic. So you're going to want to remove the plastic. You're going to remove the plastic on all the feet. And if you ever lose that tension or that suction to the surface, all you have to do is just wipe them down with soap and water, and they should be good as new. The plug goes in the back of the device. It's going to be under, and there you go. And this is what it looks like on the inside. And on the top of the device are these USB-A and USB-C, so you can charge your devices while they're in there. And whatever can fit in here can be sanitized. So whether if you're going to put a mouse in here, maybe a controller of some kind, maybe some keys, a PS5 controller. And this is the HomeSoap UV Sanitizer and Charger.